Can you recover deleted messages on Messenger? Recovering deleted Messenger messages is generally not possible after the permanent deletion. So deleting a message on Messenger removes it from your account, and Messenger does not offer a built-in recovery feature. However, here's what you can do. You can check the archived chats. You can check deleted messages might be archived to check. So just open your Messenger, tap the menu, look for archived chats or archive, and if found, you can unarchive that message in order to restore it to your main chat list. You can also download your Facebook data. So Facebook allows you to download your information, including your message history. So to do this, just go to your Facebook settings, privacy settings, your Facebook information, and then download your information. And then select the messages and a specific date range of that message. And you can now download the data and extract the files of those messages. You can also check for old email notifications. So if you receive email notifications for the messages, you might find snippets of the deleted messages in your inbox. You can also check Android cache, which is also applicable. So if you're using an Android device, you can check the deleted messages might be temporarily stored in the app's cache. However, this is not a reliable method and may not always work. And lastly, you can consider legal requests. So in specific situations, you can have a legal investigations for Facebook and may able to find and retrieve deleted messages and if a valid court order or legal order request is issued.